In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll be comfortable navigating the menu and entering the key details so your new team member is set up quickly and correctly. We'll keep this simple and stick to the essentials. First, look to the left side of your QuickBooks screen. That vertical panel is your main navigation. Find and click All Apps. If your sidebar is collapsed to icons, hover over it or expand it so you can see the labels. All Apps is where QuickBooks organizes different areas of the product, and it's the quickest path to the team management tools. Inside All Apps, select Team. This section is your hub for people-related tasks. Think of it as the place where you keep track of everyone who works with you, adjust access, and view basic details. Opening Team puts you one step away from the specific area we need. Next, choose Employees. This view focuses on employees rather than contractors or other collaborators. It's designed for people on your payroll or staff roster, and it's where QuickBooks groups employee profiles for easy review and updates. Now, click Add Employee. You'll typically see this option near the top of the page. This opens a clean form so you can enter just the necessary information to create a new profile without getting lost in extra fields. Fill in the key details: the employee's name, their email address, and their hire date. Use the employee's legal name to keep records consistent across your reports and documents. For the email, enter the one they actively use for work so they can receive notifications and access if needed. Double-check spelling here. A small typo can cause confusion later. For the hire date, choose the official start date recognized by your company. This matters for reporting, onboarding timing, and any access that might relate to a start date. If your team uses a standard policy about which email to enter, follow that convention to keep everything uniform. That's it. Once these details are in, you've successfully added the employee. QuickBooks will create the profile based on what you entered, and you can return to this employee's page later if you need to review or update information. Keeping the process this focused helps you add people fast without overcomplicating the setup. To recap, you went to All Apps on the left sidebar, opened Team, selected Employees, clicked Add Employee, and entered the name, email, and hire date. You're all set to continue building your team in QuickBooks with confidence.